Okay guys, welcome to dividing decimals by a whole number. The rule when dividing decimals by a whole number is points under points. So we place the decimal point in the answer above the decimal point in the question. So our first example here, we have 3. Our first is 4. We write the whole number on the outside. Divided by 0.84. So we work from the left here over to the right. So we work from left to right. So our first thing, 4 into 0, 0. Decimal points under decimal points. So here's my decimal point in the question. I put it in the same place in the answer. 4 into 8, twice. 4 into 4, once. So our answer, 0.84 divided by 4, is 0.21. Pretty straightforward, guys. That's the first question. Now, the next one gets a little bit more tricky. So the next question says 5 divided by 0.125. Again, we start from left to right. 5 into 0, 0. Decimal points under decimal points. Now, 5 into 1. Can't do, guys. 5 does not go into 1, so we put a 0 there. And we carry the 1, and it becomes 5 into 12. Now, 5 goes once, twice makes 10. That's as close as we can get. So we write 2. And there's a remainder of 2, and we carry the 2. So then it becomes 5 into 25. Goes 5 times. So we remember we need to carry, and we need to write zeros when we can't. So 5 divided by 0.125 is 0.025. And that's it, guys. That's for that example. So what we need to remember there is carrying the 2's and writing the zeros when we can't do it. They're the 2 things that we need to remember. Next example, just with multiplication. When we multiply by 10, 100 or 1000, it becomes really easy and we don't have to follow the same process. So the question says, I'm writing in red. The question says 0.234 multiplied by 10. Divided by 10. So just with multiplication, all we need to do here is move the decimal point based on the number of zeros. So this question is 0.234 divided by 10. All we need to do, guys, is move the decimal point 1 spot. So the answer will be 0.0234. And we do the same with hundreds and thousands. So if the question said 0.234 divided by 100, divided by 100, we would just move the decimal place 2 spots. 1, 2. So the decimal place would be here and we'd add another 0 in. So the answer would be 0.00234. And that's it, guys. That's dividing decimals by a whole number.